Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make Greek style yogurt. This is the yogurt that I made yesterday, and I'm going to prepare some new yogurt today. So what I have done is I have boiled almost 1 liter milk and then let it cool down for about half an hour. And now it's just warm. It's not cold, it's not hot either. As you can see, you can't see any evaporation or anything like that. So it's definitely the right temperature to get it going and setting it up for our Greek style yogurt. So what I'm going to do is add a little bit of leftover yogurt from yesterday. The water is alright, and give it a stir with a spoon, a nice big spoon there. Mix, and now that's mixed, I'm going to make sure that we get a good nice yogurt like this, Greek style yogurt. I'm going to add a little bit of lump into the bottom, maybe a little bit more, just to be sure that we get a nice one. Give it a little stir so that the content get mixed, and don't add too much of yogurt, otherwise you'll get a sour yogurt. This is nice and it does not have any sour. It's not even sweet, it's just the natural yogurt. So I'm going to add a little bit more to sit in the bottom to trigger it. Now that's ready. Put it on side, sorry. Cover it. So that's covered. So that's almost not 1 liter. I'm going to get 700 ml of yogurt, fresh yogurt, in about 5 hours. So this is our yogurt maker. You don't necessarily need a yogurt maker if you don't have one. You can just use any container, fill it with hot water, and then you need the yogurt jar that you can sit in there. But now that I got yogurt maker, I got some boiling hot water that I'm going to be pouring it in this one. Oops. A little bit of liquid on the side. So don't overfill it. You can set this one. Be careful, it's hot. Then put your yogurt jar in there. As you can see, I haven't filled it too much, but it's normally more than what I usually do, because I'm trying to make this video nice. And then cover it. So this is one part. Now you need to find a place. If you live in a cold country like New Zealand, where the temperature is usually pretty low in winters, then you need to put it somewhere where it's warm, so that the cool bacteria that make yogurt get activated in nice and warm weather. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to carry this, put that one away. Carry it and put a nice spot for it over here. Here I have the panel heater, so that it gets some heat from the panel heater, and stuck in a nice little corner, and there you go. You can see that's where the yogurt maker goes, in there. I'll slide it in there and then cover it. It's 1 o'clock, and I bet you at about 5 o'clock yogurt will be ready. And you repeat the same process again.